We're gonna install this fucking Invidia exhaust. Full bolt-on tune, bro. Sheesh. Come on, lift that shit up. Lift it up. Oh shit, we got fake wheels. Sheesh.
I think it's just the front end.
Nothing. No. Alright, we're about to lift it up. We'll keep you guys updated. Sheesh.
We gotta make
Kyle.
Oh shit, sounds like a Tome. Caca. A la verga. Se quema. Do it again, do it again.
Okay.
About to take off the... Hey, let me lay down with you, bro.
Huh?
Oh, get cute.
Hey, here.
Pura.
So I'm not gonna fucking pit down there.
Pipa.
I think it's just the one over there, no? Over there on your...
Hey,
left.
you said that you ain't scraped. Look at that big ass dent.
I know, over there on that one, yeah.
What the fuck happened there?
I think I probably fucking like hit a big ass like bump or some shit. Oh no, I remember. There was a road that they were working on and there was hella boulders on the floor and there was no way out of it because there was cars coming from the other side. That I had to fucking keep going straight. And there was a car behind me.
So this means you're gonna go full straight pipe.
Piping you.
Every time someone gets in your car, they're gonna get straight pipe. I hope so.
Okay.
Alright.
Oh, there's another hanger over here.
You got also. Oh, where are the hangers at? Right here. Alright, well, there's a hanger there. Where's the other hanger? Right here.
I
love it.
Hey, give me the WD-40.
Update on this fucking whip. Sheesh. Aerodynamic.
What do you say?
Sheesh. We got plastic wheels. Sheesh. We got side skirts. Sheesh. Coben Fibre.
Nigga, that shit hurts.
Oh shit. Lower lifestyle. Sick ass.
What size?
Oh.
Oh,
A wild
You
Brian.
already got this one.
Cute. Are you full bolt-on tune, bro? E85 full bolt-on tune? You're taking off the one from where the cat's at? Oh, whoa. For legal purposes, you have a cat. Alright, it's ready to come off or what?
It's ready to come off this nigga.
Whoa, let's not get demonetized. Whoa, whoa.
Hey, pass me pliers. For a favor.
Here. Lube her. Oh shit, lube her up. Lube her.
Oh shit. Where's the lube? Pass me the WD-40.
WD-50 full.
That's 40 full.
420 cat.
WD-45.
Oh look. Look, it says L because Brian be taking L's. Damn. Damn, fool, this shit leaking oil, fool. Yeah, it's hella oil, fool. Damn, hella dirty. Can't even take care of your car. Look at your springs, hella dirty.
That's probably why it's squeak.
Oh shit, my finger. Oh, my finger. Oh, fuck. All right, what parts?
Oh shit. My pumpkin.
My pumpkin. Where are the classes?
Where are the classes?
Sure, let me see, pass me.
No, there's no
Watch.
fingers. Fingers over there.
Look, I'll show you how to do it. I'll show you how to do it one hand. Look at this. One-handed.
This nigga.
Bro,
You're gonna make it harder.
I'm not gonna make it harder. Watch, so they can see. They can see. Watch.
Let me see.
I got you guys. I got you. Here, hold the phone.
Told you, fool.
All right, so
Watch him struggle.
this is how you take it off. It's gonna come off, right? Look. Like that. See, I told you. Clean it up. The other one, we gotta extendo it because extendo cut. It's not gonna fall, right?
No, there's more on the other side. On the sides, top.
Okay, she pretty hard to get. There you go. All right, now what else? All right, it's been.
Ah, fuck! It went back in.
Whoa,
That's what she said. It's been 5 years later.
You have to spit on that
Oh, motherfucker, dude.
We'll be right back in the next episode of Dragon Ball Z.
Which Dragon Ball Z?
The one that you can't take off a hanger. Let's go. All right, bitch. My. Do you guys like this?
Here.
Look at that. Skills. All right, here it is.
Look at the stuff out there.
Oh shit.
This shit long as fuck.
That's just a straight pipe. Yeah, it's just darker than my eye. What? What did I say?
Well, why is it on the flag?
There it is. Old. Nuevo, nuevecito. Sí. Right. You gotta make sure you wear gloves.
We found the first piece to the puzzle.
Good soup. And then we gotta put this together right next to it, see how it goes. Well, this is the end for sure. So this goes like this. That's the one in the front?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, the next one's the resonator one, right?
This one will be,
The last one because it curves.
well, I think like this, you know?
Yeah.
Like
No, I
that.
think the other way.
Hmm? It looks like that. From the other side, you know? And let's try it this way.
No, it is that way.
This is front. Oh, yeah. There it is.
No, the front's over here. What does that mean? Front? Oh, then it's like this.
So then the resonator, I think the resonator would be the first one.
No, the resonator would be in the middle, huh?
Yeah. No, okay.
Where's the front one? The front piece.
Is it front?
No.
So good as well.
Look at the picture. Oh shit. You should take a picture of it.
It's on the bottom. Like this?
Turn it the other way. Yeah, I didn't like that.
Oh shit. No.
No?
No, it's the other way. No. Look at the picture.
Switch that one. This is correct. But it's because it wouldn't be this edge going up like this wouldn't be going up towards. It would have to be going to the bottom. It'd have to be like this. See?
Or look at a diagram of the exhaust on your phone.
That's what I'm saying. They didn't come with the. That looks right to me. YouTube?
Go ahead and fasten it.
Are we right back? Oh, here we are. We're gonna be doing it in pieces. First this piece, after this piece, and then right now we got sexy Oscar.
Yeah, he called you sexy.
What part? Here, show.
So apparently you gotta. And no light. Who got a flashlight, bruh?
Who has a flashlight? Put your phone. Were they easy to take off?
Nah. Alright. So these are from Invidia. You had to take So these are studs that were on it, right from here. So I just got the size of the nut. I put a nut over it like this.
I'm gonna hold it.
That's cool. So I just put it on, and then I just put this over it, and I hammered it with the pinchy hammer, and then they come off. It takes a while, but you'll get it. And you just replace them with these, and then you wait till these motherfuckers take fucking forever. But yeah, it's pretty simple.
That was a long ass fucking portion. Now we're ready to fuck or what? What? Oh shit! Sorry, man. We meant to eat. Whoa.
Who's just standing there?
Bro, because...
Who's standing? Bro, I'm firing you. Now you give me $20. What? That's all nice.
Oh wait, we gotta put the gasket first. Nigga, what are you doing?
Fucking dancing, bro. Showing them my dance skills, because I've been watching a lot of videos, you know what I mean? Like,
It doesn't matter which way it goes.
no, you could...
I called it.
You can put it like however. Yes. But the best way for you to do it, you don't have to do it like that. You can take these off so you don't struggle. But we're not doing this. This is separate. This we're going in first. The one you should do is the one back there.
Wow, that's math for you.
You're gonna do this left?
No, do this one back here. We're gonna do like in 2 pieces. Put this one here.
This one?
You
got it on already?
The gasket's already on it.
Nope, not.
I say no for the other part. There it is. Pass me the nuts, Abel. Well, not yours.
Yes.
What?
You wish they were mine though.
Oh no, man. Oh no. There you go, tying it. Tying this part, and then you guys get the hang of it, tying it. I'll be back because I don't want it to be a long portion, sirs. Thank you, appreciate it.
Oh shit, we're distracted. Oh shit.
Fuck, dude. That was too much for me right there to handle. Too much stick out once. Let me take a breather real quick. All right, what are you guys fucking fighting about?
Nothing, nigga.
Oh shit, look.
You're ugly ass.
That's right. Don't get that exhaust dirty, bitch.
Nah.
Alright, go put some gloves on, bitch.
Go put some gloves on.
Yeah, I should have done that first while you guys were holding it. Why didn't I do that? This is just way harder.
It's fine.
It's not fine.
Keep your balance, nigga. That's a challenge.
Bro, so who can build their 90 on Fortnite? That's the fact here.
Not you. That's the thing.
Shit.
Oh, look at them 3 fingers.
Yeah. Let me see. Let me see. Oh, I can't see, fool. Let me see your finger again.
Oh
Oh
shit.
shit. Oh shit.
I'm pushing the phone, bro.
Oh god. Dude, someone didn't get dick.
What the? What? Bitch, I ain't you.
But who's talking about you?
Talk about Oscar.
Talk about Oscar.
You're talking to me because you're always talking about me.
Who thinks he's special?
I do though. Because I'm a special ed. No.
Damn, that's what
Whoa, dude, we're on YouTube, dude. We're
That's
getting
what Saturday
demonetized.
school, bro.
I need time. What size is it?
Oh, it's a 14. Pass me the 14, Damon. Right there, bro.
So what are we doing?
Damon, over there.
What are we doing here, Johnson?
Estás ciego, mijo.
Jonathan.
No, esas cosas no tan bien, mijo.
Ay, Jonathan, no sabes hacer nada.
No. Ese dice 14 millimeter, mijo.
Look at this baby.
Oh, this will take like 3 years, fool.
Just for you.
Damn, that wink.
Just the two of us. We can make it if we try. Just the two of us.
What the fuck? Hey, pass me another 14.
Hey, give me
No,
another 14.
it won't move. It won't move.
Oh, it won't move.
Bro, when I did it, it ain't move.
Because you had me hold it with you.
Damien.
Yeah.
I've never seen it.
Tighten that bitch.
Hey, what'd you guys use to clean it? Brake
Just a
cleaner?
rag.
Or just a rag?
Look at his fucking face, bro.
You recording?
Yeah.
Alright, what are you gonna pay us with? Gas or ass?
For grass.
Or grass?
A little bit of both.
Whoa.
What time?
Tonight.
Oh, hey, I'm just about to go to bed. I know we couldn't Skype tonight, but that's alright. Good night, girl. I'll see you tomorrow.
Damn, he polishing that shit. Damn, I can see your face through the reflection, dog.
You like that sexy face?
Did it go through?
John's good at this.
Did it go through, John?
Yeah,
Hey, weight reduction, bro. You gotta check that on.
Why the lights rubbing the fire?
On the top, you've got the
He's
top.
an expert.
I know, hold on. With the pipa, nice and shiny. There it is.
Is that a fucking Invidia tomato?
That shit just stuck in my fucking shit. Little straight pipey. Alright, let's hear this bitch. Go for it. First, we tightened everything, right?
I tightened the front.
Oh, okay.
I tightened it,
No,
but I
we-
want to over tighten it. I want to see. I tightened it good. It's snug.
Go for it, Senor Brian. Very nice, very nice. Give it a little repsies. Oh, that sounds nice. Nice. Let's hear the turbo. Do it again. Oh, yeah. Yeah. You hear that shit louder.
Look at that. Look at that. Look at the burnt tip.
Wow, that shit sounds sick on the video. Dude, the first two like passes, I just heard it was turbo.
Yeah, because you would let go. I'm like, just keep going.
Yeah, and then this one was good soup.
Good soup.
Mint. Oh, damn. It's a twin Turbskis, twin turbo Honda Civic.
Shut up, Kyle. Kyle, I said shut up.